Amid the growing rumors of infighting within the party, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has sent a strong message. The Karnataka Chief Minister has spoken up, and his message is that the CM seat is not vacant. Ahead of a key party legislature meeting, Siddaramaiah addressed the media, refuting the claims that the leadership is in crisis. The Chief Minister voiced frustration over reports misrepresenting statements made by party members and emphasized that discussions should always prioritize public welfare.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಇವರೇ. ಖಾಲಿನೇ ಇರೋ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಊಹೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಥರನೇ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಟಿವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಡೈಲಾಗ್ನೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರೇ. ಈ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ನೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಂ ಬಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕೆ ಎಚ್ ಮುನಿಯಪ್ಪ ಈ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕೆ ಜೆ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ್ಕರ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋದು. ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಅದು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಂದೇನ್ ತಕರಾರು. ಸಮಾಜದ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
My colleague Imran joins us on the broadcast with the details of what's brewing in Karnataka. Imran, clearly, there was a lot of differences that were brewing in Karnataka Congress, and the Chief Minister now setting the record straight. Who is this message for, and what's been happening in Karnataka?
Well, this message is both for the people who have been demanding change and many of his cabinet colleagues, and also sending a message to Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar, and also for the media there who is speculating that there is going to be a change of Chief Minister. In fact, speaking yesterday at the press club, the Chief Minister said the media is concocting theories and saying that they are doing political conspiracies. He very clearly said that the seat is not vacant and he is going to be the Chief Minister for the next 5 years. The statements hold significance of the fact that recently there have been many statements from his party colleagues, some saying that the party president needs to be changed, some saying that the D.K. Shivakumar is going to be the Chief Minister. And today is a very crucial legislative party meet, and ahead of that CM clarifying that the CM seat is not vacant is giving a very clear message. In fact, the state in charge, Randeep Singh Surjewala, is also today to meet several of the ministers and MLAs in the party. And as I said earlier, that there is a crucial legislative party meet. And before this, the CM clearing out a message, the CM seat is not vacant, is a message to both within his party and outside.
Okay, all right, Imran, stay with us. Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister, saying the CM seat is not vacant. He was talking about the speculations over whether there will be a change of leadership in Karnataka. On the other hand, the Deputy Chief Minister has put all rumors to rest as well. Speaking to the media, D.K. Shivakumar said that he and the Chief Minister would work together to deliver on all the promises to the public, and that the Sarkara would complete its term of 5 years. When asked about a section of the party workers and legislators backing him for the CM post, D.K. Shivakumar said that he does not need anyone's support or backing, and that he would work according to the instructions of the High Command and requirements of the party.
ಯಾರು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾವ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ತಿರುವು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜನ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 5 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮಾತು ಗೌನ, ಪಕ್ಷ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾರ ಬೆಂಬಲನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಯಾವ ಶಾಸಕರ ಬೆಂಬಲನೂ ನನಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯೇ ವಾದಿಕಾರಸ್ತು ಮಾಫಲೇಸು ಕದಾಚನ. ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಗವಂತನ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫಲ ಭಗವಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
So DK Shivkumar saying that I'm going to continue my duty. But remember, KN Rajana, the cabinet minister who has often been critical of DK Shivkumar, has said that why should DK Shivkumar fight for becoming chief minister for just 2.5 years when he can actually be at the top post for a full 5-year term. The Karnataka minister said that the Congress party came to power in 2023 under the leadership of Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar. In fact, he suggested that DK Shivkumar can be the chief minister for 5 years if the Congress party contests the next polls under his leadership and wins. Listen in.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಧಿಕಾರದ್ದಾಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದಾಗಲಿ ಆಸೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸಹಜ. ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ವಹಿಸೋದು ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 138 ಜನ ಅವತ್ತು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ನಾಯಕ, ಒಬ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ CLP ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿರಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದಿರಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರನೂ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಪ್ಪುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ, ಆಗಲೇ ಅವ್ರ 5 ವರ್ಷನೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಇರಲಿ. 2.5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಹೋರಾಟ?
Well, amid this war of words, the BJP has hit out at the Karnataka government. The BJP mocking the infighting in the government, saying it's clear that there is a power tussle in the Karnataka Congress and it still continues.
कांग्रेस मतलब टुकड़े टुकड़े कांग्रेस, कांग्रेस मतलब कांग्रेस वर्सेस कांग्रेस, INC मतलब आई नीड कंफ्यूजन.
My colleague Imran continues to stay live with us. So Imran, the BJP is taking a dig at the Congress party, saying that it's clear that the infighting continues. But an interesting reaction from KN Rajana as well, who is known to be close to Siddaramaiah, who has said, why should DK Shivkumar be in power? In fact, he also goes on to say that the elections were fought under Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar. And if DK Shivkumar wants, he can be the chief minister for a 5-year term, hinting not this term, maybe the next.
Well, the issue is that whether there was a understanding between Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar about sharing of power for 2.5 years. Now the 2 years of term of Siddaramaiah is completing. Now there are speculations that he might have to relinquish the post of CM, and who will be the next chief minister. As far as D.K. Shivkumar is concerned, in fact, in an exclusive interview to our editor, group editor Navika Kumar, he had said that there is a term, and he will not specify what it is, but there is an understanding. Now, the understanding is what generally understood in the political circles, that 2.5 years Siddaramaiah will continue as CM. After that, he will relinquish for D.K. Shivkumar. Now, many of the supporters within the party say that the next chief minister should be a Dalit or should be a scheduled tribe. That's the reason why we see the dinner meet at Satish Jarakiholi's residence, and also Parameshwara trying to have a special dinner meet for ST MLAs.
If there is a question on who should be the chief minister next, even for that there are many claimants, isn't it? I request you to stay with us. Let's play out what the BJP has been saying about this power tussle.
मतलब कांग्रेस वर्सेस कांग्रेस, INC मतलब आई नीड कंफ्यूजन. और ये कांग्रेस की लड़ाई सत्ता के लिए, चेयर के लिए हमें आज फिर से दिखाई दे रही है कर्नाटका में, जहां पर जनता की कोई चिंता नहीं है, चिंता है कुर्सी की. सिद्धरामैया बनाम DK शिवकुमार. DK शिवकुमार विदेश जाते हैं, उनके खिलाफ मीटिंग्स ऑर्गेनाइज होती है, उनको डिप्टी CM पद से हटाने की साजिश रची जाती है. और अब सिद्धरामैया जी ने तंज कसते हुए कहा है कि मेरी कुर्सी तो खाली नहीं है. एक प्रकार से शिवकुमार जी को साफ साफ कह दिया गया है कि कोई पावर शेयरिंग फॉर्मूला होगा नहीं. दूसरे मंत्री भी बोलते हैं कि आप अगली बार बन जाना, इस बार तो कोई चांस नहीं, पूरे 5 साल आप अगले बार बन जाना. मतलब कि DK शिवकुमार जो लगातार चाह रहे थे कि वो बन जाए मुख्यमंत्री, अब उनका नंबर कटने वाला है. और यही चीज कांग्रेस.
All right, so this is the power tussle within the Karnataka government today. An important meeting also expected. We're keeping a track of that, and